The third Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation concluded on Wednesday in Beijing. Many delegates attending the two-day forum have expressed confidence in green and digital transition for the future of the Belt and Road Initiative.
We need to really put more emphasis in green energy, like a green, hydrogen, where we have now worked with our Chinese partners, where it's going to be the energy of the future. And we are very delighted with our Chinese partners to develop technology, develop capacity, and also improve competitiveness.
So definitely there's still a room for collaboration on traditional connectivity. But I think also in the next phase we will see more of this digital aspect of the Belt and Road, or the digital Silk Road. So, in addition, I think Serbia is also in a good space to kind of and has the opportunity to focus on attracting Chinese investments in more strategic sectors, more high value add industry sectors. So I think we will see more technology projects down the line. I'm very excited to see what the future holds for the next 10 years for BRI.
Green energy is one of the most important deal across the world. So the more and more countries need to cooperate and share their know-how to each other. And for digital transformation, China has many experiences and many leading companies. So I think it's also an opportunity for countries who want to have digital transformation with these leading companies, because BRI is giving this platform for the rest of the world.
I think maybe we should go not only for the infrastructure, but we go to the green Silk Road and then also the digital Silk Road. So more not about the infrastructure, but more to be like the transfer technology in digital, and then also more development for the green